It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys. Today we're joined by Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. And you know what? When we say these dog days of summer, regardless of how hot it is, it seems like if you're working outside, it seems like it's even more hot outside. And Laura and Blakesley wrote in, I passed out on a construction site after working for hours with no water breaks or shade. Is that workers' compensation?
So Laura, I think so. I really think those are horrible working conditions. Nobody should ever be working like that in this summer heat without water breaks. Breaks are mandatory under most of these construction site projects, and your employer does have an obligation to you, right? You should not be working under those conditions. You should be able to take breaks. You know, if you get hurt while you're on the job, you typically have a workers' compensation case. So I would say yes.
The way the question's written, I'm not sure if you were hurt. If you were hurt when you passed out, then the answer would definitely be yes. You know, and I agree with Molly. All that other stuff is true, but you know, for a workers' compensation claim, again, it's against your employer. You have to have an injury. So I'm assuming there was some sort of injury on top of passing out. Then the answer is yes. You have a case. You'd be entitled to, 66 2/3 of your wages, all your medical bills paid, and that's the deal that you get when you do workers' compensation. So. And obviously, I hope you gave notice at the scene, somebody filled out an incident report, because that's the first avenue of attack they make on you for your claim. So anytime anybody's hurt at work, you got to fill out the claim. Tell your supervisor, do not go home injured. Let them know, and you'll have a good case. We can help you with those. We do a ton of them.
Yeah, well, all such great information, Laura. Hopefully you make sure you give them a call and continue that conversation. If you wanted your question answered, just visit the websites or give the hotline a call.